Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat mga kakulay. Ultralight casting session na naman po tayo ngayon. Bali 1 hour casting challenge yata tayo ngayon kasi 1 oras na lang. Medyo alanganin kasi yung pagpipishing natin ngayon eh. Bali susunduin pa natin si Mrs. mga 2:30 o 2:20 ng hapon. So time check ano na, launa. So ayun, gamit ating setup Mount Lake 1.8 meter. Hindi ko alam kung medium light rod ba to, basta binili ko sa online. Tapos reel na gagamitin natin, ganun pa rin, Shimano Senya 2000 series, spooled with Sanex 4ply 6 pounds. At leader natin Perlon pa rin. At si Rainbow Trout ang gamitin natin. Ayun po, first cast na tayo. First cast! Sana isortihin si Kakulay at makadali. So bali pupunta tayo doon mamaya kasi pa-low tide naman yung tubig eh. So sana may kakagat. Uy, strike. Uy, strike na naman. Yun, sayang yun. Tiki siguro yun. Dito lang dito lang sila nag-strike sa tapat. So yun po, shoutout po sa sumusunod. At shoutout din sa special group ko na Davao Venturing Anglers. Shoutout po sa inyo. Specially po kay Sir Archie, Sir Christian, shoutout po sa inyo. At sa inyong tiga-admin, shoutout po sa inyo sir. Maraming salamat po sa pag-accept talaga sa akin sa inyong grupo. Uy, sayang.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. Lonely now, I'll give up everything. Daunting all, if I could see my dreams, I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I wanna reality. Don't let go, don't let go. I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I wanna reality.
I just wanna find a way out, sick of the venom in my brain. Running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this, I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once, I just so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started to outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
I'll give up everything, daunting all, if I can see my dream, make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality. Lonely now, I'll give up everything.
Bye bye, salamat. Yan, hagis tayo ulit. Meron tayong dalang rattler dito, kaso ano na eh, bali dalawa na lang yung kanya.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. Dying.
Ano to? Tiki na naman. Grabe ka tiki ka. Oh, fish number 8. Parang ako na yata yung hari ng tiki ah. Grabe. Ayan, release natin. Fish number 8 po. Bye. Hagis ulit. Uy, strike aroy. Ang lakas nun. Uy, sayang, balo. Balo yung kakulay. Grabe. Di tinamaan. Kagat ka ulit, kagat ka. Sige. Yun, strike. Yeah, kagat ka ulit ha. Yung ano talaga, yung isubo mo talaga ng buo yung lure ko. Tingnan natin ngayon. Balo yun, balo. Grabe kalakas nun. Wala na yun, nadala na siguro yun. Uy, sayang yung strike na yun, yung balo na yun. Kung kapong siguro yung rod natin, siguro madadali yun. Sayang yun. So last cast po tayo kasi alas 2 na. So kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking channel, sana'y pa-like na lang din po at pa-share sa inyong mga kaibigan. Grabe oh, andyan oh. Nahabol pa rin siya ng balo oh. Pa-share din po sa inyong mga kaibigan at pa-subscribe na lang din po para ma-update ka sa mga video natin. At yung bell ha, huwag niyong kalimutan po. Ayun po, thank you. God bless po. Grabe, pauwi na sana tayo oh. Nakadagdag pa, fish number 9 po. Grabe, daming lizard fish talaga dito. Okay.